Hello friends, Prithviraj here. I am going to deliberate on awareness about COVID-19, and awareness needs some basic understanding of coronavirus. Uh, so the content of the topics are what is COVID-19, nature of positive agent, mode of transmission, then mode of pathogenesis, and at the last precaution and control. So one by one I would like to explain all this topic before you people. So let's start with what is meant by COVID-19. So COVID-19 stands for coronavirus disease, and this disease is emerging from Wuhan, China in December 2019 and become a pandemic. And COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a novel strain of coronavirus or newly discovered coronavirus, and which is recently nominated by World Health Organization as a SARS coronavirus 2 or COVID-19 virus. This virus is similar to that of the SARS and MERS virus, and it is believed that this SARS coronavirus 2 is evolved from SARS and MERS virus through co-infections in animals, avians, and human being. This is contagious in human and cause the respiratory illness. That respiratory illness ranging from common cold to severe disease like SARS and MERS. It is also called as community acquired disease. Community acquired disease means what? When 1% of the population of the community infected by this disease and be a reason of epidemic and pandemic, so such diseases are called as community disease. Friends, coronavirus is the large family of virus and cause the infections in animal and human. Okay, so in case of human being, frequently it cause the diseases like, or we can say the mild diseases like common flu, but it when it novel strain is generated by the adaptive mutation or the reassignment of genetic material, so antigenic shift is produced in the virus. Okay, that antigenic shift is not recognized by immunity, human immunity, that makes the virus more danger, more infectious, and such type of novel strain is responsible for the outbreak like SARS, MERS, and COVID-19. So this is all about the general information of the COVID-19 or coronavirus. Next aspect is the nature of virus. So COVID-19 or this coronavirus is taxonomically classified under the order that is Pneumoviridae, Pneumoviriales, then family Coronaviridae, and subfamily or subgroup Coronavarians. This is the large group of RNA virus. Okay, so COVID-19 is the virus which contain the positive sense single-stranded RNA as a genetic material, and this genetic material present into the inner core of the virus in association with phosphoproteins that are nucleocapsids. Along with this, some other structural proteins which are present in this virus, that are envelope protein, membrane protein, spike protein, and this protein togetherly form the viral envelope around the genetic material around the inner core, and which protect the RNA and genetic material of this virus. Among this, all structural protein, spike protein are more crucial, and that helps the virus for the attachment to the host cell. This virus is circular in nature and ranging the size 50 to 200 nanometer.